Hello everybody, Denay here, and I wanted to share with you a quick little recipe. One of my subscribers, Kathy, wanted to know what to do with a case of field peas that she was gifted. This is what I came up with. Creating a recipe for canned field peas is really easy. What I did was sauteed some red onions with a little olive oil, added some garlic and green onions, and let that just fry up, added some cubed ham, and let it all caramelize. Tossed in the drained, washed field peas with snaps, and let them saute. Again, nothing more than onions, green onions, garlic, cubed ham, tossed in the drained and washed field peas, and let that saute, Kathy. That's what I did. And so we just let that cook on medium low, and I'm just showing you how it's going to look, and it's okay. I added probably about 2/3 of a cup, I don't know, maybe a little bit more, 3/4 of a cup of unsalted chicken stock. And we are going to let those field peas cook. At the very end, I added some cut okra. This was frozen okra that I allowed to thaw just a little bit. It needed to thaw because I don't want our field peas to turn to mush. And you let this cook for about 30-35 minutes. I'm going to put the directions in the description. I hope you love this recipe. My family loved it. And so if you have a recipe or something that you'd like for me to try, or you have an ingredient you'd like for me to try, please send it to me. Everybody subscribe, hit that bell, and have a fabulous day.